Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about a couple of new Mini GT models, including a 3 Kaido house and 2 packs of 164 Mini GT figures. Let's get started, and we start with the one on top. Let's make some space. The Nissan Silvia S15 LB Super Silhouette in a very nice color. And of course, it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. Here we got a barcode and article number for the one who is interested, and some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And Mini GT is active on social media. Always good to know. Let's take that plastic off. Box package, my favorite. No screws, and perfect for placing your Diecast cars back in storage, which is not a good thing really. Let's be honest, we want to display them, we want to see them, we want to grab them, touch them, and look at them. And by placing them back in the box, we don't like that. Anyways, what a cool model, what a cool livery. Liberty Walk, I like the artwork, very well done. And a very nice metal base with details, thank you very much for that. Some profile on the tires, normal screws if you want to do some modification on the interior. Let me show you the interior. The interior looks pretty fine to me, but it is a black interior. So it could use some color for the dashboard and some seat belts on the bucket seats. And those accessories are available on the World Wide Web, if I'm right. A landslide in the front, a landslide in the back. I'm missing a license plate. Would be cool if it has a license plate, but unfortunately not. And next one, the BMW M3 Performance Touring Alpine White with golden rims. And again, an officially licensed product. Good rolling wheels, nice golden rims, carbon fiber here. Authentic steering wheel, good interior as always. No heating in the back window. Lanced lights, ooh, cool exhaust system. Tires in the back are as white as in the front. Good profile in my opinion. A nice metal base with details. Is that a new thing? And landslides in the front. Very cool model. Yes, it rolls very well. Next one, a beautiful classic Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, white with blue livery. Mini GT released several of these in different colors. White and green, black and red. I think I've got most of them. Definitely worth it. And I always think when I take this model out of the box, a side mirror is missing. No, it should be that way. Nice with the blue. I think that's a very good color combination. Missing a license plate. We do have a Porsche logo here in the front. Windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Missing a license plate in the back. We do have a silver exhaust, and we have a metal base with some details. Tires in the back, cars wide as in the front. Good profile in my opinion. No heating in the back window, and with this one I know for sure it has heating in the back window. So that's some room for improvement. A license plate, heating in the back window. I've checked with modern new cars. That heating is very difficult to see, but they still have heating in the back window. Then we got the Lamborghini Huracan Sterato. To be honest, if I was a rich man, I would bought the Porsche Rally, Dakar Rally, instead of this one. I think this one is cool. I will never say no. If somebody said, can I buy you a Lamborghini Huracan Sterato? I'm not going to say no. But I prefer the Porsche Dakar Rally. Very good rolling wheels, nice rims, nice paint. Would be cool if there was some accessory here on top of the roof. Yeah, lights are okay, windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Good interior, good side mirrors. Metal base with not much details. And I'm missing a license plate in the back, not in the front. That looks silly. But overall, very nice car. Do you want to see the interior? It's a left-hand drive. Yeah. Authentic steering wheel. Nice seats. Ooh, yes, I was waiting for this one. A Civic, Honda Civic Kaido V1. Officially licensed by Honda, and a very nice packaging. There are chase models from these Kaido house models. Got a couple of them. I was lucky. Oh, wait a minute. There is some tape here and here. That's better. This is not a chase model. To be honest, I'm happy with that because I like the original one. And when it was a chase... Oh, good rolling wheels. The sound of this is also cool. Much better than the Lamborghini. Yes, we have an opening part with a very well detailed engine. Oh, those details are getting better and better. Look at this. Also closes very well. There are no windscreen wipers. So when it's raining, forget it. Or you need a couple of liters of Rain-X on the window. Also, no heating in the back window. Kaido Mart. Yeah, beautiful base. If there was an award for Diecast Car Best Base, Kaido House would be it. Definitely. And GCD. Yeah. GCD, the brand, with where I buy a lot of off-road cars. Also have very cool and detailed bases. Yeah, I like it. What a beauty. I think from all of these cars, this is going to be my favorite. Absolutely. Another Kaido house, Datsun 510 Pro Street Anniversary Edition. What is the scale? I think it's a little bit bigger than 164. I think it's like 3-inch. Why it's not 164? I have no idea. I have no idea. And by the way, I can show you a Honda Civic in 164 because Hot Wheels made one. Look at these tires. Fantastic. Big tires. I like that. What a beauty. Kaido house. License plate. And a huge engine. Pew. Love it. Yeah, I know the scale is a little bit bigger, but I don't mind. This thing is crazy cool. The carbon fiber. Interior, I like that. Fantastic. Last one. And yes, I bought it because of HKS Power. Datsun Kaido 510 Wagon. Is it a chase or not? Let's find out. Nope, it's a normal one. Wow, like it with the side mirrors here. Let's have a look at the engine. Pew. Look at that. Big turbo. Very well done. I like it with the different colored lights. Fantastic rolling wheels. Advan. Nice rims. Yokohama. If there was an award for best rolling diecast car wheels, it was Kaido House. Look at that exhaust. Ah, nice license plate. Thank you very much for that. Get off. Is there an opening part here? Nope. It is metal, but you have to be careful. Don't break it. Beautiful base. Wow. Now, let's have a look. Because I have a Civic right here. I believe this is a true 164 scale Civic. See, it isn't so much bigger than a 164 scale, or this one is also bigger. That is also possible. Doesn't say anything about the scale, so maybe because this is much wider. Seriously, I thought that the one from Kaido's was a lot bigger, but no. Let me know what you think in the comments. And what is your favorite from all these Mini GT models. And I almost forgot the figures. We have to look at the figures. There we go. Figure car enthusiast. So I'm going to show you like this. He is drinking some coffee. He's leaning on a car, leaning against a car, watching a car. Whoop. Making a photo of a car. Making a selfie. There are no faces. Painting went a little bit wrong with this one, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's holding a coffee. He's looking at something, and his nose is also not very well painted. Always good to have some extra figures. And they are made out of diecast, metal figures. That's what I like about these figures from Mini GT. I think it's a collab with American Diorama, but I'm not 100% sure if they come from the same factory. This set is a good set, a Nismo Technician Team, and that's a good set for the coming Nismo Diorama from Mini GT, which is coming pretty soon. Yeah, this is to be put under the feet so they will won't fall. Yeah, very good figures. Perfect, with a Nismo logo on it. Checking a wheel, checking underneath the car. Yeah, these are perfect. And you can also use them for other diecast sceneries. That doesn't have to be Nismo, because the Nismo... okay, maybe this one not. Do they all have Nissan Nismo in the back? I guess so. Still useful for other dioramas. Definitely. This one not. So they don't have all Nismo in the back. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Have a very good day. Click, click, click. See you soon. Bye.